Hello and welcome to tonys.diecast.restos. It's the 1st of July, so that means it's collaboration time. This month it's Cars from the 50s. Hodges, Hotwheels and Diecast is doing an M2 Machines Coca-Cola 55 Chevy Bel Air. Nice. Matchbox Garage is doing a 57B 1959 Chevrolet Impala Sports Coupe. Nick's Toy Garage is doing the Matchbox 7B 1959 Ford Anglia, or Angola as I like to call them. Paulie 7218 is doing a Hot Wheels Classic 57 T-Bird. That looks good. Finally, Timer Does Real Little Cars is doing a Hot Wheels Multi-Meal 57 Chevy Custom. It appears to have an engine sticking out of the bonnet. I'm doing a custom 53 Chevy. As you can see, it's new in the packet. This is something I've never done before. Okay, let's get this out. Let's get a closer look. Wow, lots of flames. Nice chopped roof. Transparent bonnet. Lots of chrome. Nice low stands, plastic base, a couple of rivets in the bottom there. Okay, let's get the rivets out. As you can see, I've speeded this bit up a little. This video is over 20 minutes, so I'll try and shorten it. Okay, that's the base almost off. Bit of leverage with a screwdriver and that should be it. Come on, you can do this. The interior is all shiny chrome plastic. Oh, that's shiny. I think something needs done to that. Into the glass. The bonnet's attached to the glass. That's going to come off. I don't want the glass, but I want the bonnet. And this is me chopping the chopped roof. This is something I've never done before. I'm going to have to glue 4 pillars all at once. It's quite difficult. So there you go, it's in pieces. Right, let's get the paint off. I'm using night remorse this time rather than the caustic soda. 10 to 15 minutes in there should take the paint off. And here I'm getting the last of the paint off. The wire brush I was using is absolutely rubbish. It was throwing spikes off all over the place. It's like being attacked by a hedgehog. Okay, that's it pretty much done. Just swap the brush for a little brass one just to get into the corners. Okay, that's all the paint off and nice and shiny, ready for priming. First off, I've got to attach this roof. I can decide what height I need of that. As I'm taking it back to stock, it needs to be lifted slightly. I also need to cut it in half along the black line just to keep the angle of the pillars correct. So I'll be adding a little bit in the middle of the roof there. pretty much it there, I think. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Right, I've skipped the hard bit. As you can see, the roof's all on. This is me bending the windows out of 1mm acrylic. And again, that's the back window, 1mm acrylic again. And that's it coated in the primer. And I'm putting the little bead along the front of the bonnet there. Oh, at that point, I dropped it off the table onto a concrete floor. So, change of plan. I am now doing convertible. This is me cutting the soft top. Obviously it's going to be down rather than up. Just to keep life easy. Okay, sizing it up. Oh, it needs loads off. That's me gluing two pieces together, just add a bit of thickness. Yeah, that's good. So I'll use super glue, and that's just the applicator. Right, let's start cutting this baby down. Much work with scalpel blades, and then finally I'll file it down with a couple of diamond files. Okay, where am I at? I changed the angle of the camera because my hands kept getting in the way. Now this is a little bit of a better view. Okay, still chopping away there. Obviously I speeded this bit up because it took ages. Okay, just get those corners right. And I'm off with a file. The corners with a round one. Get a hold of a flat one. Let's do the flat edges. Outside corners. These diamond files are ideal for filing the styrene. Gives a nice smooth finish on the edges. Okay, size it up. It's getting there, it's getting there. A little bit more off. Level those front edges up. That's okay, a little bit more possibly. What do you think? If I'd left all the film at normal speed, this video would have been over 50 minutes. Right, so this is me gluing the frame on for the front windscreen. Obviously I've pre-glued it, and at this point in time I'm using the baking soda and super glue just to strengthen the joints. Missed. Missed again. I'm never going to pick that up with a stick, am I? Now I'm on the other side. That was a better shot. Yeah, that's okay. I went in the right place. Just remove the excess. Obviously I'll file the joints down. Yeah, that's okay. Skip the primer this time. Starting on the first coat of green I'm using. This is a stock Chevrolet colour from 1953. I believe it's called Surf Green. Fortunately it's straight out of the bottle. It's Tamiya XF21. And that's the green finished. And I think I'll add some more details now. This detail is in woodland green, which is also a stock Chevrolet colour from 1953. Fortunately that's also at the bottom. That's a Tamiya I'm really taking my time with this one. I think the Sistine Chapel was painted quicker. Oh, flip side, that's the other side now. Very good. And then now I'm doing the chrome bumpers and grille. Lots of chrome on this car. I don't know if the Molotov pen, but it's getting kind of empty. We'd have to buy a new one at some point. It's good. It's really incredible stuff. But it's highly toxic though, eh? It's like liquid metal. Okay, that's the front, I think. A little bit more in that corner. And I'll flip around and do the rear bumper. Anytime soon, Julie. Get your hand out of the way. Ah, there you go, that's it. Very good. And here's it again. A little bit more focused. There we go. Very nice. And obviously the rear bumper's done. Very nice. The interior I've started painting surf green. It's the same colour as the body. Do a little bit of detail on the dashboard and centre console there. I'm using woodland green for this bit, just as it would be back in the day. That's that done. I'm going to change the colour of the seats though. That's a slightly lighter green on there at the minute. Give them a little bit of a wash with a woodland green, I think. Just need a job with that side. Check the other side out. Maybe sneeze a little bit on there. Touch my base. No. Yes, no. Okay, looks like I'm happy with that. Okay, that's a close up of the interior. I'm going to clean the seats with the woodland green now. It's kind of messy when I first put it on, but I do neaten it up later on in the video. I hope you are enjoying the music this time around. It's very difficult to get a hold of some 50s type music, like rock and roll. All of this music sounds a bit 30s or 40s. Not really sure about it. What do you think? I think I should have probably speeded this bit up as well. As you can see, the paint job's not so neat at the minute. I do go around and touch it later on. That's me doing the soft top again with the woodland green colour. I have speeded this bit up. Kind of hides that open joint on the soft top of it. That's about it. Just need to neaten it up a bit. touching the surf green up. I've splashed a little bit of the dark on. That's better. Very nice. A little bit of surf green on the internal bits again. Smartening the door cards up a little bit. Okay, I'm back to painting the interior. I think I'm painting the silver under the dashboard there. Yeah. That's what I'm doing there. A little bit of silver detailing on the centre console there. Oh, slightly off camera. So, this is what I started with. 53 custom. I wasn't really a fan of the green flames and the transparent bonnet and the chopped roof. I do like chopped roofs. I wasn't sure about the green glass though. A nice looking car though. The sharp-eyed among you might notice that I didn't do a turntable on this one. That's because I got so excited I was using the new car, I forgot to do it. So there you go, the still picture anyway. So the final reveal, a 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. Factory standard colours of surf green with a woodland green as a second colour. All the chrome is painted as it should be, including the hood ornament and door handles, not forgetting the Chevrolet badge on the front there. The interior is also woodland green with chrome highlights. The new windscreen is made up from 1mm acrylic bent with a heat gun. It could have been better, but it's not bad for a first attempt. The silicone is a little bit messy, I'll have to work on that one. I couldn't find wheels with standard hubcaps on, like a factory car. These are Greenlight wheels, but I also added the white walls to them, so they looked okay. What do you guys think of it? Let me know in the comments. Give me the Roman approval or disapproval. That's a thumbs up or thumbs down. If you didn't like it, tell me why in the comments. So what's coming up next? I'm doing the 65 Ford Mustang. Don't know what to do with it yet. I might take it back to a factory colour. I also might put stripes on it. What do you guys think? Maybe I'll open that up to comments. I'm definitely getting rid of the tow hook though. Don't forget to watch the other 5 videos in the collaboration. Links to their channels are in the description below. Anyhow, that's all for now. Keep your eye out for the next video, or hit the notifications bell. Thanks for watching, goodbye.